Hello, everyone. It's great to see you too, Leo. How are you today, Leo? And welcome back to Speak Studio, where learning English feels simple and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hi, Sarah. It's great to be here again with you and all our wonderful listeners.
I'm wonderful, thanks. My morning was nice and quiet. Leo.
Quiet morning, the best kind of morning. Sarah?
Exactly. And speaking of my morning, it's already in the past. Which brings us to our topic today, talking about the past.
A perfect topic. The past, things that happened before now.
Right. Like yesterday, last week, or even this morning. It's an important part of conversation.
Definitely. But before we travel to the past, let's talk about the present for just a second.
Leo, good idea. To all our amazing listeners, if you enjoy our podcast, please click the like button, subscribe to Speak Studio, and share this episode with your friends and family. It really helps us a lot, Leo.
Yes, thank you all so much for your support. Okay, Sarah, ready to talk about the past? That's right.
I'm ready. So, the past. When we talk about something finished, we use special words.
Let's start with an easy one.
Was, yes. It comes from is. For example, today I am happy.
Was Sarah perfect? Am and is changed to was. So, today the weather is sunny. What about yesterday, Sarah?
Yesterday I was happy. Yesterday the weather was cloudy.
Exactly. Is for now was for the past. What about places? For example, where were you yesterday evening?
Leo, yesterday evening I was at home.
At home, nice. And me? I was at the supermarket yesterday.
Right. So we can say I am at the supermarket for now, and I was at the supermarket for yesterday.
Simple enough. What about are?
Leo, good question. Are changes to were. For example, you were here yesterday too.
Sarah were, W-R-E. So, we are happy today, and we were happy yesterday.
Exactly. Am and is become was, and are becomes were.
Got it. Let's practice. Sarah, where were you last Saturday?
Last Saturday, I was at the park.
Nice. Was it fun?
Yes, it was fun. The park was beautiful, and many people were there.
Perfect use of was and were. What about you, Sarah? Where were you last weekend?
Last weekend, I visited my family. I was at my parents' house.
That's lovely. Were your parents happy to see you?
Yes, they were very happy. We were all together. It was a wonderful day.
That sounds so nice. Family time is the best time.
It really is. So, everyone, remember, was and were describe states or locations in the past. For example, I was tired. You were at the cinema. The food was good.
Okay, great for to be. But what about actions? Like walk, talk, or cook?
Yes, action words or verbs. For many verbs, we just add a D to talk about the past.
So walk becomes walked. For example, today I walk in the park. Yesterday, I walked in the park.
Perfect. Another one. Today, I talked to Leo. Yesterday, I talked to my friend on the phone.
Nice. Okay, let's try watch. I watched TV in the evening.
So yesterday, you would say, I watched TV last night.
Good. I watched a movie. It was a comedy.
Fun. Did you laugh?
Yes, I laughed a lot.
Laugh becomes laughed. Exactly. Many words just add ed. Cook, cooked, clean, cleaned, play, played.
Let me try a little story. Yesterday morning, I walked to the cafe. I listened to music on my headphones. I waited in line. Then I ordered a coffee.
Perfect. Listened. What happened next?
Oh, Sarah, what did you do last night? That's kind of you.
Excellent. Waited, ordered. The ed is really useful.
What did you cook? Liked. Another ed word.
Last night, I cooked dinner for a friend.
It does seem easy that a challenge.
I cooked chicken and vegetables. My friend liked it a lot. It is. With practice, it becomes natural. But there's a small challenge.
I'm listening.
Leo. Some verbs are irregular. They don't use ed.
Oh, right. They change completely. Like go. We don't say go ed.
Some verbs are irregular. They don't use ed.
Got it. Yesterday I went to work.
Perfect. Where did you go last summer?
Last summer, I went to the beach.
Wonderful. I went to the beach last year too. Okay, another one. Eat.
Today, I eat an apple.
Yes, eat becomes ate. So, last night you cooked dinner. Did you eat with your friend?
Yesterday, I ate an apple. Sarah.
Leo. Nice. And drink changes to drank.
Yes, we ate together. I drank water at the park yesterday.
Exactly. So, go, how went, eat, ate, drink, drank.
But it's like a fun puzzle. What about see?
Leo. Today I see a bird.
So, at the park I saw many dogs.
Yesterday I saw a bird. Cute. And at the cinema you saw a comedy movie.
Right? What about take?
Take becomes took. For example, I took many photos.
Nice. And have becomes had. Yesterday, I had a busy day.
Exactly. And sing becomes sang. We sang happy birthday, Leo.
This is great. The irregular verbs are different, but they're common.
Yes, and the best way to learn them is by using them.
Let me try a short story. Last weekend was great. On Saturday, I went to the city with my friend. We walked around, looked at shops, and saw a nice shirt.
A mix of regular and irregular. Perfect. Did you buy the shirt?
But I bought a book.
Good one. Buy becomes bought.
After shopping, we were hungry, so we went to a small restaurant. I ate pizza and drank lemonade. My friend had pasta.
Leo, that sounds delicious. And what a perfect story. You used was, were, walked, talked, went, ate, took, and more.
Thanks. It really helps to put it all together in a story.
Exactly. That's how we talk in real life, mixing regular and irregular verbs naturally.
Sarah, your turn. Sarah, what did you do on your last holiday?
Leo, my last holiday was in spring. I went to a small town in the countryside with my sister. We stayed in a lovely old hotel. Every morning we walked in the hills. The weather was beautiful. We saw sheep and cows.
That sounds so peaceful.
It was. In the afternoons, we visited small shops and I bought local cheese. We ate it with bread and drank fresh juice. In the evenings, we were tired, so we read our books and listened to the quiet sounds of nature. Leo, it really was, and it's a great example of how we use verbs in the past.
So, listeners, remember. Regular verbs, added, walk, walked, play, played. Irregular verbs change completely, go, went, see, saw, have had.
And don't forget, was and were.
Exactly. Wow, we covered so much today.
We did. Now, it's your turn to practice.
Yes, we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Tell us, what did you do last weekend?
You can write something simple. I went to the park. I watched a movie. I ate pizza with my family.
Sarah, we love reading your stories and seeing you practice your English.
And don't forget to subscribe to Speak Studio so you don't miss our next episode.
And please share this podcast with anyone who's learning English. Your support means the world to us.
Thank you for listening today. See you next time.
Yes, thank you everyone. It was fun talking about the past with you. Goodbye for now.